right, so we are setting our blade to a 45-degree angle by turning this handle here. I go all the way to the machine stops me. Okay, we'll check our blade height because now that we're at an angle, it's got a further distance to travel, but our blade height still looks pretty good. Okay, now to make 4 lefts and 4 rights, you have to have 4 dados to the front, 4 dados to the back. And if you got any imperfections on something, you're like, okay, I'd like to get rid of that, or you know, if it burn marks or like some bad chipping after going through the dado blade or something, this is where you can flip stuff around, but that looks pretty good. Okay, now this first one is gonna be a bit of a trial and error because I don't want to take off too much. You know, this width is 2, we want to keep it 2, but we want to put a 45 at the end of it. So to get it dialed in, this first one, I'm probably gonna have to take multiple passes. So you'll get to see that. If you're doing this in a group, once one person gets it dialed in, just go. So you don't have to keep resetting this because everybody should be at 2. So let's see how we do. Okay, not quite there. See, we got a little bit of a flat there. Almost looks like a good 1/16 of an inch or more. Okay, so patience. At least that much again. It's pretty good. I feel like, God, there's just like a touch. If I just go 1/32, I think I'll feel more confident because I'm going to send, you know, got to send all these through. So we'll try that. Okay, so there now, that's very sharp. And are we still close to 2? Oof, that's a rough tape measure. So 7 to 9, let's go with that. Yeah, it's still 2 inches. Good. Okay, so that was a dado forward. We still have 3 more dado forwards. And then we have 4 dado backwards. So that's what in one pass, that's what you should have, you know, after you get it dialed in. It'd be nice if you had somebody here working with you, catching these as you went. Now, I'm gonna do one of the other ones just to kind of show you a side-by-side why there is a difference between a left and a right. Okay, so as you can see, these are very different. We have a left and a right. You know, you can't flip and make these interchangeable. You know, they are different parts. Okay, and when we bring them together, you'll see that's what we're trying to make. We're trying to make the dados line up, have a left and a right half. Okay, it'll be really, really important that we get those dados to line up when we, or the dados to line up when we assemble these. So we're gonna end up gluing and clamping these. We're gonna glue, we're gonna clamp, and then we're actually gonna shoot air nails through so then we can take the clamps off. So that'll be coming up in our next step. So I'm gonna finish getting all these bevels cut, and then we'll walk you through how to assemble legs.